Yep, you see the title in the thumbnail. I had a sweet tooth for chocolate and I wanted me some cake. But I'm gonna show you guys how to make a chocolate chip dump cake. We're gonna put a twist on it. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Not many ingredients and it's a very easy and quick recipe. We're gonna run through this real quick. So let's do a rundown of what we have. Right here we have a box of chocolate cake mix here. I'm using Devil Foods cake mix. We have milk, some melted butter, some semi-sweet chocolate chips, chocolate pudding, some cocoa powder. That's all you need. Watch how it turns out. Let's get it. All right, to get started, you want to take a 9x13 baking dish. I sprayed a little cooking spray at the bottom of it. We're gonna take our cake mix and we're gonna sprinkle it here evenly in our baking dish. So if you have to take a spoon, you could do that to kind of even it out. All right, just like that. Now we're gonna take our chocolate pudding mix, do the same, sprinkle it over our cake mix evenly. Let's take our spoon again, kind of level it out. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna turn this way. We're gonna bring our butter over here like this. And you wanna make sure your butter is down to room temperature after it melts. You don't wanna have it hot when preparing this. You're gonna take your milk and you wanna add it to your butter mixture. Gonna get out a little whisk. We're gonna take our butter mixture. We're gonna bring our baking dish back over. Before we add our butter mixture, we're gonna add our cocoa powder. Sprinkle that evenly over the top like that. Now we're gonna take our butter and milk mixture and we're gonna pour it into our pan like this, our baking dish like this. You wanna take a whisk and you wanna just start getting that mixed in like this. Now guys, you don't have to mix it completely, but what you wanna do, you wanna make sure that it's well incorporated. So there's still gonna be some lumps there, don't worry, but just wanna make sure all the ingredients are well incorporated. All right, guys, it looks like we are good. Now we're gonna take our chocolate chips and we're gonna just start adding those to the top like this. And you wanna sprinkle these pretty evenly over the top too. Now that we've placed all our chocolate chips on our batter, we've already got our oven preheated to 350. We're gonna stick it in here for 40 to 45 minutes. So let's go ahead, get it in the oven. And there you have it, chocolate chip dump cake. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. All right, we back in here, quality control. Man, I almost forgot to even do the quality control. I'm over here eating this stuff and I'm like, man, I ain't did quality control. But let's go ahead and show what this look like, man. Put it in for, oh man, look at that. Oh man. Oh man. Nah. You know what I like most about this cake? Is that it's creamy and very rich. This is delicious, guys. Definitely check it out. You don't need many ingredients. Very quick, easy to make. So, to the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, not chef, just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.